Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and your finger. Make sure the iPhone 7 has at least 20% battery and is updated. This avoids interruptions. Once ready, remove any case or screen protector that interferes with the home button and wipe the button and your fingertip. Now open Settings, tap Touch ID and Passcode, and enter your passcode. Then tap Add a fingerprint to begin. Do this right away so the device can capture clear, consistent touches for reliable recognition. You now perform the enrollment sequence carefully because how you place the finger determines accuracy. Follow the on-screen prompts, repeatedly lift and rest the same fingertip, changing angle and position slightly so the sensor captures multiple areas. Make sure you include the pad and both sides of the fingertip to cover real-world touches. Don't press too hard. Light to moderate, steady contact works best. Once the initial capture completes, follow the secondary prompts to refine edges and complete the fingerprint profile for reliable unlocks. You finish by naming the fingerprint and enabling the features you want. iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, iTunes. Test unlocking several times and in different grips. Make sure it's fast and consistent. If recognition fails, re-enroll the same finger with more angle variety or register an additional finger. If problems persist, restart the iPhone, check for iOS updates, or delete and reset Touch ID entries before re-enrolling. This sequence resolves most issues because restarting and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.